Night, Tagal din Lucky by Britney Spears. 1, 2, 3, go. This is a story about a girl named Lucky. Early morning, she wakes up, knock, knock, knock on the door. It's time for makeup, birthday smile. It's we all waiting for. They go, isn't she lovely? This Hollywood girl. And they say she's a lucky. She's a star, but she cry, cry, cries in a lonely heart, thinking if there's lucky living in my life, and I do these tears come at night. I seen an image in a dream, and the woman there to wake her up. Then the world is spinning and she keeps on winning. But tell me, what happened when it stops? They go, isn't she lovely? This Hollywood girl. And they say she's a lucky. She's a star, but she cries, 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 and the lonely heart thinking if this lucky listen in their life is why do these tears come at night? This, and the winner is Lucky! I, Hollywood girl. She's so lucky, but why does she cry? She really is lucky. Listen in my life when I see coming around. She's so lucky. She's a star, but she cry, cry, cries in a lonely heart, thinking, is this nothing missing in my life? And why do these tears come at night? She's so lucky, but she cry,